Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the latest in gadgets designed to elevate your driving experience. Today, we're diving into the world of connectivity, focusing on a game changer for every car owner: Bluetooth receivers. If you've ever struggled with tangled wires or spent time trying to set up your outdated audio system, this video is for you. We'll review the best Bluetooth receivers for your car, highlighting features, sound quality, and how they can transform your ride into a multimedia paradise. So buckle up and let's unlock the ultimate driving experience together. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications to stay updated on our latest tech reviews. Number 5. Sonru Bluetooth 5.3 Receiver. Perfect for your car, home stereo, or wire headphones and speakers. Equipped with cutting-edge Bluetooth 5.3 technology, it ensures faster, more stable connections while minimizing sound quality loss. Enjoy crystal-clear conversations with its high-quality microphones and upgraded CVC 8.0 technology, which filters out background noise and echoes for an enhanced listening experience. With an impressive 24-hour battery life, this device charges fully in just 1.5 hours and can even be used while charging, ideal for long-distance travels. Its portable size allows you to connect two Bluetooth devices simultaneously. With a working range of up to 33 feet, the Sonru Bluetooth AUX adapter comes complete with everything you need, including multiple cables and a user manual. Backed by an outstanding 4.5-star Amazon customer rating, it truly stands out as the best Bluetooth receiver for your car audio needs. Number 4. Nulaxi Cam 30 FM Bluetooth Transmitter. This innovative device not only features a big display screen that clearly shows incoming phone numbers, track names, FM frequencies, and more, but it also enhances your calls with its stronger microphone for crystal-clear hands-free communication. Enjoy the ultimate music experience with the ability to switch between treble and bass mode while streaming your favorite tunes directly from your seamless Bluetooth connection. Never worry about low battery during your drive, as the QC 3.0 fast charging port offers lightning-fast charging speeds, perfect for both drivers and passengers. Plus, stay connected and in control using voice services like Siri, ensuring your attention remains on the road. With an impressive Amazon customer rating of 4.4, the Nulaxi KM30 is the best Bluetooth receiver for CAR for anyone looking to elevate their driving experience. Number 3. Comsun Bluetooth AUX adapter is your perfect companion, offering exceptional wireless music streaming through any non-Bluetooth car audio system, home stereo, or speaker. Featuring advanced Bluetooth 5.0 technology, this adapter guarantees a stable connection and fast transmission every time you hit the road. With intelligent noise reduction equipped with CVC 8.0 and DSP technologies, enjoy crystal-clear hands-free calls without interruptions from background noise. Plus, it boasts an impressive 16-hour battery life and quick recharge capability in just 2.5 hours, allowing you to stay connected on long drives. The easy-to-use built-in microphone simplifies hands-free calling and navigation, ensuring your focus remains on the road. With the ability to connect to two devices simultaneously, the Comsun Bluetooth AUX adapter is rated 4.5 stars on Amazon, making it the best Bluetooth receiver for your car. Grab yours today and transform your audio experience. Number 2. Joyroom 66W Bluetooth 5.4 Car Adapter. This device isn't just another accessory. It's the best Bluetooth receiver for your car, with enhanced mic features for HD hands-free calling and a rich, deep bass sound. It elevates your driving experience. The adapter boasts 3 charging ports, including a powerful 30W PD Type-C port and dual 18W QC 3.0 ports, ensuring all your devices stay charged while you enjoy your favorite tunes. All without cable clutter thanks to its innovative FM transmitter and AUX compatibility. Safety is prioritized with air vent installation that keeps the device within sight, allowing for quick adjustments without distraction. Plus, the latest Bluetooth 5.4 technology guarantees fast pairing and stable connections. Designed for music lovers, it delivers high-fidelity audio with bass that cuts through road noise, making every drive more enjoyable. With an Amazon customer rating of 4.3, it's becoming a must-have for car owners seeking smarter tech on the road. Number 1. Sumin Bluetooth FM Transmitter. The best Bluetooth receiver for your car. This versatile wireless radio adapter features a 1.7-inch high-definition display that showcases song names and incoming phone numbers, while also highlighting your car's battery level. With intelligent, fast charging capabilities. Includes dual USB ports, one smart 2.4A port for devices, and a QC 3.0 fast charge port, ensuring your gadgets stay charged on the go. The easy-to-use design incorporates a large key for seamless operation and a flexible 270-degree rotating neck for perfect viewing angles. Experience high-quality sound and clear phone calls, thanks to advanced CVC noise cancellation technology. Not only does it support various audio formats, including MP3 and WMA, but its broad compatibility makes it ideal for all your devices. With an impressive Amazon rating of 4.3, the Sumin Bluetooth FM transmitter is your go-to choice for dodging annoying wires and transforming your driving experience. In conclusion, finding the best Bluetooth receiver for your car can truly enhance your driving experience, providing seamless connectivity and top-notch audio quality. Whether you prioritize sound performance, ease of use, or extra features, there's a perfect option for everyone. We hope this guide helps you make a well-informed choice. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below. Share your thoughts and any recommendations with us.